Welcome everyone, I'm Adam. In this problem, we're going to describe and sketch the surface that's generated by our equation given by y squared plus z squared is equal to 9. So the first thing that we need to do is come up with what the generating curve is. So the generating curve, again, is some curve in 2D, or 2 dimensions. And from that, we have ruling lines projecting out perpendicularly to give us our 3D surface. So the generating curve is actually given by what we're starting with in just the YZ plane. So as we said, our generating curve, okay, we see we have y squared plus z squared is equal to 9. Well, in the YZ plane, that just gives us essentially a circle. We can think of this as y squared plus z squared equals 3 squared. So in just the YZ plane, we have a circle centered at the origin, or at 0, 0, of radius 3. So at first, we're going to go ahead and try and sketch this generating curve. So we have radius 3. Okay, so centered at the origin, we're going to draw our circle. Generating curve. There we go. So in the YZ plane, there's our generating curve, our circle at the origin. And we said from that, we have ruling lines coming out at a perpendicular angle. Right? So through every single point on this curve, I'm not going to draw them too far yet. They're going to project out. So what we're going to see is this circular figure kind of being projected along the x-axis in 3 dimensions. So down here somewhere, we'll go ahead and complete this and try and get our 3-dimensional figure. So this circular image there we go. Like we said, ruling lines projecting all the way across our x-axis. Okay, so giving us something like that. So that's our 3-dimensional surface. And so what does this look like? Well, it looks like a cylinder in normal terms, or like a pipe or something like that. But to describe it, what we're going to call this is a, say, right circular cylinder. So the ruling lines are coming out perpendicular or at right angles, and the generating curve is a circle. So a right circular cylinder. So there we have it. We have our curve sketched, or I'm sorry, our surface sketched and described as a right circular cylinder. Thank you very much.